Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely change one of the oldest tools of the internet, email. Think about it, we use email for everything, from work to personal chats. But have you ever worried about who is reading your messages or why your inbox is constantly flooded with spam? The traditional email system we've used for decades relies on centralized servers, which can be vulnerable to data breaches, censorship, and, of course, that endless wave of unwanted junk mail. It's like sending a postcard. Anyone who handles it along the way can potentially take a peek. What if there was a better way? A way to make our digital mail as private and secure as a sealed letter delivered directly from you to your recipient, with no one in between? Well, that's where blockchain technology comes in. You've probably heard of blockchain in the context of cryptocurrencies, but its potential goes way beyond digital money. Imagine an email system built on a decentralized network, just like Bitcoin. This is the core idea behind blockchain-based email protocols. Instead of your emails sitting on a server owned by a single company, they will be encrypted and distributed across a vast network of computers. This fundamentally changes the game. Without a central point of failure, your communications become incredibly secure and resistant to being shut down or controlled by any single entity. It is a paradigm shift from entrusting our data to a third party to truly owning our digital correspondence. So, how does this actually work to make your inbox a better place? Let's talk about encryption. With blockchain email, your messages are locked with a cryptographic key that only you and your intended recipient have. This means end-to-end encryption is built into the very fabric of the system, not just an optional feature. Your emails are essentially unreadable to anyone else. No snooping, no data mining for advertising, just pure, private communication. And what about spam, the bane of every email user's existence? Blockchain protocols have a clever solution for that too. Many of these new systems require a tiny, almost free transaction to send an email. For a regular user sending a few dozen emails a day, this cost is negligible. But for a spammer trying to send millions of emails at once, those tiny costs add up fast, making mass spamming economically impossible. It is like putting a digital stamp on every email, a simple yet powerful way to filter out the noise. Let's explore what this decentralized future could look like. Think about it. A world where journalists can communicate with sources without fear of surveillance, where businesses can exchange sensitive information with absolute confidence, and where your personal conversations remain truly personal. Platforms like Dmail, Skiff, and Ethermail are already pioneering the space, building communication tools that prioritize user sovereignty and privacy above all else. They are creating a new standard where you are in complete control of your inbox and your data. Your digital identity isn't tied to a corporation. It's tied to your own cryptographic wallet. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of how we communicate online, putting power back into the hands of the individual. Of course, this technology is still in its early days, and there are challenges to overcome, like user adoption and creating a seamless experience for those unfamiliar with blockchain. But the promise is undeniable. Blockchain-based email offers a future where our digital mail is secure, private, and free from the control of centralized giants. It's about taking back ownership of our digital lives, one email at a time. What do you think? Are you ready for a decentralized inbox? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on the future of technology, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.